everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to add bank account in Fiverr. To add bank account in Fiverr, you could follow the steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is open up a browser and type in fiverr.com and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So here you could see multiple tabs right on top. Now first thing, open up your profile or tap on it. Next thing you want to do is under it, click on become a seller. Now you need to start by becoming a seller, and next thing you could see is all of these sort of pages. Here you want to click on become a seller and make sure to go ahead and continue, read about all of these. Click the continue button and once again click on continue. Now proceed on continuing, and then you want to go ahead and enter in your information, your display name, all of that, profile picture, see your descriptions, and click the continue button one more time, and then moving on, click on the continue button. As you've done it, so you'll be taken to the next page where you need to go ahead and enter in your professional information. While you enter your professional information, there you'll also find the add ways to add a bank account or a payment source. So go ahead and add your bank account by entering all of that information, and this way you'll have successfully added bank account to Fiverr. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.